Telegram has over 500 million active users, becoming another great channel for any company that is looking to improve its marketing or customer service. Telegram bots provide a fast, secure, and cost-effective way to send your promotions, updates, or any other messages to your subscribers. Hey everyone, I'm David from Smart Sender, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you the super easy way how to send that Telegram messages using Smart Sender platform. Let me log into my account and get back to you in a second. Before sending even a single marketing message to my subscribers, I'm gonna click on the Workflows button and create as simple as necessary automation that will send welcome messages to people who subscribe to my Telegram channel. What I mean is that before I'm offering something, I should say something, right? Like, hey, thanks for subscribing to my Telegram channel, etc. If you are curious about the benefits of welcome messages, I placed the link to one of my other videos below. Well, let's give our workflow a name and select the contact list we're gonna work with. In my case, it's the default one. Then click on the Create button and it will bring us to the workflow editor. Navigate to the Triggers menu and drag the subscribe trigger to the working area. Select the Telegram subscribed event here. It means when a contact from the contact list subscribes to the Telegram channel, the following trigger will be activated. After that, drop down the Actions menu and pick up the Send Telegram option. Select your template here. I prepared my template beforehand, and don't get confused, I'm gonna show you how to create a similar one later in this video. Select your Telegram bot. If you don't have a Telegram bot set up with Smart Sender, I'll place the link to our knowledge base below in the description. Just open it and follow the instructions. And in case you need some help along the process, you can always contact our support team. They will definitely help you with that. Here we go. Connect these two blocks, click on the Save and then Launch button to activate. The system let us know that the workflow has been successfully activated, and when a contact subscribes to the Telegram channel, the welcome message will be sent automatically. Now it's time to create a campaign and send out marketing messages. Let's start with a template. Click on the Content and then Templates button. Create a new one and choose for Telegram. Enter any name you want here, then drop down the Add Content button. Here you can see the list of blocks that you can add to the template. I'm gonna pick the image block. I have prepared my image beforehand, so I can easily import it now. Pay attention that the image block we created has additional features, like we can add a specific text to the image, create buttons, move the block down, and delete it. I'm gonna add a title to my image and create a call to action button just to show you how it works. Also, as you may notice, here on the right side, the system allows you to preview your template. The second block I need is the text block. I'm gonna click on it, type my message here, and speed up the video just to not waste your time. Also, to use an eye-catching and personalized message, don't forget to use variables and visual settings that are available in the editor. There is also one interesting option here. If you need to generate a preview of your template for a specific contact, just type the contact's unique ID here. The system shows you that you can type an email, phone number, or user ID. Once you type one of them, the green confirmation will automatically pop up and the variables you applied will turn out into personalized text. Otherwise, if you type a wrong or not existing contact ID, you will see gray text instead of green, and the system will let you know that something is wrong and the test will be sent as it is, with all that variables. Now I think this template looks good. Click on the Save button. Here in the Templates menu, you can see that little preview of your templates, including this one. Once we have our template created, click on the Campaigns button, create a new one, again give it any name you want, and select the contact list you want to work with. The default contact list is selected automatically as a primary choice. Here are also two options for segmenting your audience. They are optional choices, so I'm gonna skip them now. Select the Telegram channel from the list of available channels. Choose the created template. Once you click on it, it will pop up on the right side in the preview mode. Finally, select the Telegram bot and click on the Next Step button. Here are several options when you want to start your campaign. If you want to schedule it, just consider using AI time zone button. When you click on it, the system will pop up the necessary information for you. I'm gonna click on the Launch button and start my campaign right now. By the way, in our automation marketplace, you can find a lot of ready-made automations. Using them has never been easier. Simply pick up which one you want and import it into your Smart Sender account. It takes just a few clicks and it's absolutely free. But Telegram is just one out of 4 powerful channels you can consider for marketing purposes. With Smart Sender, you can run marketing strategies using Telegram, email, web push, and even SMS. Just take a look at my other videos on YouTube, and if you found this one useful, you can hit that like and subscribe buttons below.